Now our next topic, respiration in human. It is very important. Now the oxygen rich air is entered through the nose, and then the air is entered into the nasal cavity. We know that in our nose there is nasal cavity. In this nasal cavity there are fine hairs, and so the oxygen rich air is filtered by these fine hairs, because these air containing dust particles. These dust particles stick with the fine hairs, and so the filtered air is entered into the pharynx. Now what is pharynx? Pharynx, that is, it is common area of mouth and nose, and then this filtered air from the pharynx, it entered into the larynx. Now what is larynx? Larynx, that is voice box. It produces sound. Then from the larynx air is entered into the trachea. Trachea it is also known as windpipe, and trachea is made up of cartilage. This trachea, windpipe, is divided into two bronchi. This bronchi is further divided into small tubules. This tubule is known as bronchial, and at the end of this bronchial there is a alveoli. At the end of bronchi there is alveoli. Alveoli is a balloon-like structure, and this alveoli, it provides the surface for exchange of gases. That is, the exchange of gases takes place in a alveoli. Exchange of gases, that is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, takes place in the alveoli. And these are our two lungs. So again I will explain. The oxygen rich air is entered through the nose. In the nose there is nasal cavity. In nasal cavity there are fine hairs. So this air is filtered by these fine hairs, because this air containing dust particle, and these dust particles stick with the fine hairs, and the pure air is entered into the larynx. Now what is larynx? Larynx is the common area of mouth and nose. Then this air is entered into the larynx. Larynx, that is, it is known as voice box. Voice box, from this voice box words, that is sound, is produced. Then air is entered into the trachea. Trachea is known as windpipe. This windpipe is made up of cartilage. Then the air is entered into this bronchi. There are two bronchi, and each bronchi is further divided into small tubule. It is known as bronchioles, and at the end of bronchioles there is a alveoli. Alveoli is a balloon-like structure, and in this alveoli the exchange of gases takes place. So now when the air is entered into the alveoli, in alveoli exchange of gases takes place. Alveoli provide the surface for the exchange of gases, and this alveoli is connected with the blood vessel. Alveoli is connected with the blood vessel, and this blood vessel absorb the oxygen, and this oxygen reach to the cells of our body parts. Now which carry the oxygen, that is in our blood, in our blood there are red blood cells, and in red blood cells hemoglobin. So the hemoglobin carry oxygen and it transport the oxygen to different parts of our body. And the blood also bring the carbon dioxide. Blood bring the carbon dioxide from the cells and releases into the alveoli. Blood bring carbon dioxide from the cell and releases into the alveoli, and this carbon dioxide from the lungs through the throat it enter into the nose, and from the nose the carbon dioxide goes out. That is, the carbon dioxide releases from our body. So in this way the respiration takes place. This topic is very important.